Hey everyone, Victoria here from Credit Fix Solutions, and I have a really great case here for a client of ours who had a banking default for, just reading off my CRM, sorry, it's $1,279, but it's not the amount, is it? It's the fact that you've defaulted. Now, that was listed in 2022. He stood to not be able to obtain the finance he needed for him and his family until 2027. So well worth the investment if we're successful. Obviously, we don't charge anything unless we're successful, but if we're successful, to pay us a fair fee for service to remove that default. Now, we did in fact remove that default, and his client ID 7798, and his score shot up from 416 to 923. So there you go. That's how much a default can impact you. Don't get stuck on score though. So many people call us every day going, oh, my score's low, can you fix it? It's not your score really, if we think about it, although score is important. It's more to do with the data sets, the quality of your data sets. So number one is not applying too much. That keeps your inquiry pattern looking very pretty. And then the algorithms like that and award you points. Number two is paying things on time. We've got 24 months repayment history information. Make sure you're paying in time, and if you have any troubles, then get in touch with your lender for financial assistance options. And then number three is something like this client, which is a default for 5 years. And then you've got court actions for 5 years, and they severely impact score. But we've seen people with defaults that are old and quite small with a score of 850 and 900. And for those of you who maybe just listening in and don't know much about credit reporting, scores go from 0 to 1200 with Equifax. And sitting at 650 and above is really, really important for the best lending options. So you can have a high score and a default, but it's not the score. The lender is seeing the default, and it's the default that they don't like, and it's the default that most likely will get you automatically declined. So make sure you're using a local mortgage broker before you apply for loans, or finance broker. There's plenty of them out there. They're fantastic. Just make sure they're accredited with a mortgage association, and then let them look at all of your scenario together holistically, because they will not apply for a loan without knowing that you are going to get approved. So they'll be able to give you your top 3 options, for example, and then you get to pick and choose which lenders you would like to go with. Anyway, that's all for today. Thanks for listening.